Hey guys, Project 222, just out in the garage working on the Scout Car again. Today we're going to be working on seam welding on the turret. We're also going to be installing the roller bearings for the turret, so stick around and check it out. Okay guys, we're back out in the garage and we're going to be working on the seam welding of the turret. We've already pulled it off of the car, we've got it in the shop. We are going to have to be really careful about how we weld this. I don't want it to warp out of alignment. It has to be particularly flat on the bottom so it will move in the turret. After we're done doing the seam welding, we're going to install those roller bearings in the roof of the car so we can put the turret back in place and it will hopefully float and rotate on those roller bearings. Once that's done, we're going to work on the pedestal. We got to figure out the height. Exactly how high up we have to mount the mechanism and the gun carriage, and then that will get attached to the turret. Okay guys, there was a little bit of a pause in the work there. For a couple of weeks, I was working with the Kubo wagon. It wasn't a movie shoot. I had to get it ready, and then I was gone for a couple of weekends doing the filming for a World War II movie. So that was pretty interesting, but now we're back and we're working on the Scout Car again. So we're gonna continue where we left off. I am gonna do some seam welding and try to finish that up on the body of the Scout Car, and then we're gonna work on those roller bearings so we can test fit the turret on top of the car. Just got the car out of the storage barn, and there is still some seam welding to be done, a few places. Up on the top here on the front. Probably some grinding to do to finish off some of these welds. This weld here needs to get ground down because this is supposed to be one solid plate. And you can see there's a few spots there I got to finish up here on the top roof. I may already be in.
Yeah.
Hey.
Not bad.
I was worried, I think on the nose it goes down a bit. The only trick, what I want to try to determine is should I put a like a 16-inch shield with the bearings up. Because I'm worried about the back. But honestly, I can't tell from out here. Sorry.
I mean,
Pretty. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap this video up here. We got quite a bit of work done. I'm a little behind schedule at this point, but I'm going to keep working throughout the summer, and hopefully by the fall we'll have this thing mostly complete and painted. In the next video, we're going to continue to work on the turret. I'm going to start by fabricating the base and then the pedestal, and then we're going to start fitting up the gun carriage to the actual turret itself. We're also going to have to make some adjustments to those roller bearings to try to get everything to move around and spin freely. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and as always, thanks for watching.